Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable or enable Notepad on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable or disable Notepad on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I'll show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Edit Group Policy. Then click on Edit Group Policy. Maximize the screen. In left side you can see here User Configuration. Click on that. Then click on Administrative Templates. Double click on that. After that you will find System. You just need to single click on that. Come to the right side. Here you need to find Don't Run Specified Windows Application. You can see don't run specified Windows application. Double click on that. Click on enable. Here you can see list of disallowed applications. Click on show. Here you need to type notepad.exe. Then click OK. Then click OK. Now we'll click on start. Then type here Notepad. Click on Notepad. You can see it is not working. It is not opening after we had done the changes. So if you want to disable that, again you have to double click on this Don't Run Specified Windows Application. Then click on Not Configured or Disabled. Then click on apply, then click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable or disable Notepad on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.